Now here we have some potatoes, you can see here, and we are going to plant these. And potatoes are really easy to grow. So here we have some dirt in the polythene bag. You can see here we can make some holes in here and plant our potatoes like this.
Hello.
And there. So we are going to leave it like this, and as the leaves show up, we will slowly put more soil in this. There, we put soil over them. There, you see these little greens peeping out. So that's where we are. And here we pour some water. That's it. And leave it in the sun. Now remember, we had planted some seeds last week. Let's check on them. A tomato plant I had planted, and I had planted it from a tomato. Yeah, I just sliced the tomato and buried it in the soil, and it has turned out really well. And there is an onion and yet another tomato, and this one here has chilies. I'm still waiting for it to sprout up. This is going to be the radish, coriander, fenugreek, and this is the cucumber. Now here how they look after another week. So these are the potatoes. The greens have grown slightly. Tomato is doing well. Onion is also fine. And ta-da! These are the radishes. Remember? So this is the tomato. Again, it's fine. And fenugreek has also come out very nicely. Look at it. Yeah. Now this is the cucumber plant. 3 of them have sprouted. I'm really worried about my coriander. I think somehow the way we planted the seeds did not work. So I have another method which I will show you in my next video. So stay tuned for the follow-up on my garden on a windowsill. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.